Okay, finally on the acid-base review set. What we're going to do here is just quickly talk about how we use indicators to determine whether we have an acid or a base present. Unfortunately I don't have any litmus paper test strips. However, I'm going to use phenolphthalein solution, which you actually do have in your test kits as well. So you would be able to use this if you so desired on household items to check if it's acidic or basic. And what this does is in a basic solution, you'll find that this solution will turn a bright pink in order to tell you that you have a base present. Remember, using litmus paper, whenever we have an acid, the litmus paper will turn a red. All right, and when we have a base, think of base blue, the litmus paper turns a blue shade. So we know if we have an acid or a base. It doesn't tell us the actual pH, but it tells us what we're working with, acid or base. And in a neutral solution, it'll turn green. So what I have here, I have a few cups. Some are clearer than others. I don't want to get them too close because of we can actually mix and we don't want anything bad happening. All right, over here on this side, I have clear solution. Not sure exactly what order I put it in. So in order to find out, I'm just going to put a couple drops of phenolphthalein in there. And what happens is, in this one, nothing is happening. Okay, if you can see that. I don't want to get my computer too close to the liquid. So we obviously know we don't have a basic solution there. We might have an acid, we might have a neutral solution, but it doesn't tell us. In this one, we have what is commonly known as ammonia, which you can find in a lot of household cleaners. And you'll see as I put the solution in, the phenolphthalein in, it turns a bright pink. All right, let's use some more. You can see it turn bright pink. That indicates that the OH or the alkaline ions are present, and that the basic solution is what we have. Over here, again, you can kind of see it's turning a light shade of pink. So again, a basic solution. This one, because I know what I poured out, must be the hydrogen peroxide. Slightly basic. Obviously, we still use it on our cuts and everything, so it's not too bad for us. So it's a basic solution. So what we have is a slight pink. Back here I have water, and you can see that I put the phenolphthalein in. It doesn't do anything. But let's say I have a cup over here, and I want to, I have something in the bottom. I'm not sure what it is. I want to make sure I test it. I'm going to. And I know I can make a little cranberry juice. Just kidding. That's a little basic solution. So if I put the phenolphthalein in the water, even though it becomes it's clear in the water, if I put it into a into a cup with any type of basic solution in the bottom, I will get a bright pink color. Sometimes, depending on how much I've put in there, if you can blow on it, it can turn back into water. Nah, a little bit too much this time, but sometimes the added hydrogen ions from blowing into it will turn it into a clear solution again. But that's all we have for acids and bases. Good luck on your test this week, and we will see you next week.